Okay, this is a situation in the edge-to-edge mode where I have set up an edge-to-edge project in the edge-to-edge mode. I've quilted the first row, I roll the quilt, I hit continue, and clicked on the end point of the first row. And after I did this, I looked at my screen. I can see that right now my needle is all the way, my machine is up against the take-up roller, and I can see that I'm going to hit the take-up roller if I continue to quilt this. If I click on start, it'll work fine, but when it gets up to the top, the machine is going to hit the take-up roller and abort. So I need to correct this before I can resume quilting. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to roll the quilt back a little bit. I've rolled the quilt back enough that I'm going to have enough room to... Oh, I had an interruption by FedEx delivery. But I've rolled the quilt back so that now my crosshair indicates that I'm going to be clear. I can quilt this, but I'm going to have to relocate my quilting project. Remember, I'm in the edge-to-edge mode. So here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to right-click on this first row, the first repeat. Going down, I'm going to use relocate. Shift all to one point. And it says here, okay, using relocate all converts this quilt group from edge to edge to repeat patterns. Do you wish to finish the edge to edge using relocate instead of edge to edge? Continue. Press yes or no. I'm going to press yes. And then I'm going to go up here, and I have end snap. I have the end snap, or the snap turned on, the end snap. So I'm going to click. The machine is sitting where I want it. I'll just click yes. Now notice it says repeat patterns edge to edge. I have just corrected the problem that I created by not rolling the quilt correctly. I rolled it too far so that it would hit the take-up roller. It's that simple to get yourself out of this type of situation. Just use relocate, shift all to one point, and it will shift you from the edge to edge mode to repeat patterns edge to edge. And now you can continue quilting your quilt. When you roll, since this pattern has the start and end at the bottom, as you roll and you get ready to quilt the next area, you have a couple of choices. Matter of fact, you have three choices. When you roll and quilt, to get ready to quilt, just right click on the last row, the first repeat in the last row that you quilted. You go down to relocate, and you can either use relocate all to one point, shift all to one point, relocate, shift all to 2 point, or relocate project origin. Either one of those will work in this situation. If you use shift all to one point, you can use the start point of the first repeat in the last row that you quilted. Or you can use any other point. If you choose to use relocate shift all to 2 points, you can use the start and end point. Or you can use any other 2 points that you can find without any difficulty with the mouse and with the machine head. If you use relocate project origin, you simply place your needle at the start point of the first repeat in the last row that you quilted and click yes when it comes up, and everything will be shifted, everything will be ready to go.